Bihari. Sing a song. Can everyone sing? Oh no, Kartal came. Okay, devotees sing with clapping. Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari 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 Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradhari Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradhari Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradhari Giridhari Yashodanandana Brajajana Ranjana Yashodananda Brajajana Ranjana Hey Yashodanandana Brajajana Ranjana Yashodanandana Brajajana Ranjana Yashodanandana Brajajana Ranjana Yamuna Tira Banachari Yamuna Tira Banachari Yamuna Tira Banachari Yamuna Tira Banachari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Radha Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Radhe Radhe, Govinda Govinda, Radhe Radhe Radhe, Govinda Govinda, Radhe Radhe, Govinda Govinda, Radhe Radhe Radhe, Govinda Govinda, Radhe 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 Radhe, Govinda, Radhe Radhe Radhe. Jai Jai Radhe 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 Radhe, Govinda, Radhe. Radhe Radhe Radhe, Madan Mohan, Radhe 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 Radhe, Madan Mohan, Radhe Radhe Radhe, Madan Mohan, Radhe Radhe Radhe, Madan Mohan, Radhe. Radhe 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 Radhe, Madan Mohan, Radhe 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 Radhe, Madan Mohan, Radhe. Radhe 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 Radhe, Gopinath, Radhe Gopinath, Radhe. Radhe 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 Radhe, Gopinath, Radhe 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 Radhe, Gopinath, Radhe 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 Radhe, Gopinath, Radhe Gopinath, Radhe. Jai Radhe 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 Radhe, Gopinath, Radhe 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 Radhe, Gopinath, Radhe. Jai Radhe 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 Radhe, Gopinath, Radhe 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 Radhe, Gopinath, Radhe. Jai Radhe 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 Radhe, Govinda, Radhe Radhe Govinda, Radhe 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 Radhe, Govinda, Radhe Govinda, Radhe. Radhe Radhe Radhe, Govinda, Radhe 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 Radhe, Govinda, Radhe 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 Radhe, Govinda, Radhe 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 Radhe, Madan Mohan, Radhe 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 Radhe, Damodar, Radhe 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 Radhe, Damodar, Radhe. Radhe 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 Radhe, Damodar, Radhe 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 Radhe, Radhe 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 Radhe, Damodar, Damodar, Radhe 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 Radhe, Damodaro Radhe 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 Damodaro Radha Damodaro Radha Damodaro Radha Damodaro Radha Damodar Radha Damodaro 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 Radha Radhe Radha Radhe Damodaro Jaya Radha Radhe Radha Radhe Damodaro Jaya Radhe 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 Damodaro Radhe Radhe Nitai Gaurango Nitai Gaurango Nitai Gaurango Nitai Gaurango Jai Nitai Gaurango Nitai Gaurango Nitai Gaurango Nitai Gaurango Nitai Gaurango Jaya Nitai Gaurango Nitai Gaurango Jaya Nitai Gaurango Gaura Nitai Jaya Nitai Gaurango Gaura Nitai Jaya Nitai Gaurango Gadai Gaurango Gadai Gaurango Gadai Gaurango Gadai Gaurango Gadai Gaurango Jaya Gadai Gaurango Gadai Gaurango Jaya Gadai Gaurango Nitai Gaurango Gadai Gaurango Nitai Gaurango Gadai Gaurango Gadai Gaurango Jaya Nitai Gaurango Jai Jai Gadai Gaurango Jaya Nitai Gaurango Yamuna Mata Jaya Yamuna Mata Yamuna Ta Jaya Yamuna Mata Yamuna Mata Jaya Yamuna Mata Yamuna Mata Jaya Yamuna Mata Yamuna Devi Mata Thakurani Yamuna Devi Mata Thakurani Yamuna Devi Mata Thakurani Yamuna Devi Mata Thakurani Yamuna Mai Mata Thakurani Yamuna Mai Mata Thakurani Yamuna Mai Mata Thakurani Yamuna Mai Mata Thakurani Yamuna Devi Mata Thakurani Yamuna Devi Mata Thakurani Yamuna Devi Mata Thakurani Yamuna Devi Mata Thakurani Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Jaya Nanda Yashoda Maya 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 Nanda Yashoda Maya, Nanda Yashoda Maya. Hey Nanda Yashoda Maya, 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 Nanda Jaya Nanda Maharaja Yashoda Maya, Nanda Maharaja Yashoda Maya, Nanda Maharaja Yashoda Maya, Nanda Maharaja Yashoda Maya. Jaya Nanda Maharaja Yashoda Maya, Nanda Maharaja Yashoda Maya, Nanda Maharaja Yashoda Maya, Nanda Maharaja Yashoda Maya. Gopal Jiu Jaya Gopal Jiu, Gopal Jiu Jaya Gopal Jiu Jaya Gopal Jiu Jaya Gopal Jiu, Gopal Jiu Jaya Gopal Jaya Nanda Gopala Yashoda Gopala Nanda Gopala Jaya Yashoda Gopala Nanda Gopala Jaya Yashoda Gopala Nanda Gopala Jaya Yashoda Gopala Jai Jai Nanda Gopala Jaya Yashoda Gopala Nanda Gopala Jaya Yashoda Gopala Nanda Gopala Jaya Yashoda Gopala Nanda Gopala Jaya Yashoda Gopal. Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Nitai Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaura Hari. Jaya Jaya Gurudev, Gurudev, Gurudev Jaya Jaya Gurudev Jaya Gurudev, Gurudev, Gurudev Jaya Jaya Gurudev Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Prabhupada Jai Jai Prabhupada Jai Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Prabhupada Jai Jai Prabhupada. Okay, so my dear assembled devotees, so nice moment, so nice moments of our life, sitting on the banks of Yamuna River, holy Yamuna River, who is filled with, imbued with so much sweet, loving, sweet memories of the divine pastimes of divine couple. So, my loving affection for all of you, sitting in the arms, lap of Mother Yamuna, on the banks of Yamuna. So, I spontaneously feel inspired, first to be speaking some glories, chanting, narrating some glories of holy river Yamuna. See, we can naturally find out the connection of the glories, some description about some qualities and glories of holy river Yamuna in different devotional songs composed by different devotees. We actually find a lot of description, okay, quite some descriptions about the glories and qualities and the participation, direct participation of river Yamuna Mai in the in many of the esoteric pastimes, intimate pastimes of our beloved divine couple. We cannot actually imagine many of their pastimes without the function of Yamuna river, without the banks, forest on the banks of Yamuna river, without the water, bathing, they are bathing in the Yamuna river. We cannot even imagine many of the intimate pastimes of the divine couple of Prakrita Yugala, Shri Radha Krishna. So, Yamuna Nadi, river Yamuna, is inseparably interrelated, inseparably united with many of the esoteric, intimate love pastimes, love sports, love water sports of divine couple in Yamuna river. See, just sang this song, Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari. The last line, Yamuna Tira Banachari Kunja Bihari. So, besides the fact the divine couple also performed a lot of Kunja Leela, lot of pastimes inside the flower grove, Nikunja. Also, many of their sporting love pastimes manifested walking, both the divine couple walking and running on the banks of Yamuna, through the forest situated on the banks of Yamuna. Yamuna Tira Banachari means the divine couple who used to be so ecstatically walking, running in sporting mood, playful, most wonderful, beautiful, happy, playful mood, holding each other's hand, sometimes, embracing each other, holding each other's hand, and enjoying each other's loving gestures and postures, running, walking, running playfully throughout the banks of Yamuna, throughout the forest path situated on the banks of holy Yamuna river, and that is called Yamuna Tira Banachari. And at that moment, Yamuna river could not remain just silent and just only spectator. Waves formed, a beautiful, wonderful wave. Some wonderful waves started manifesting from Yamuna river, as if the waves were going to reach out the divine couple to embrace them at the same time. Srila Shukadev Goswami Prabhu described the waves, wonderful energetic waves, upsurging waves from the Yamuna river in order to reach out the divine couple, to relate to the divine couple. He described as the waves of the Yamuna river as the arms, as her arms, actually she was expanding her arms to embrace the divine couple. That's how the waves of Yamuna river have been described by Shukadev Goswami. Not just simple waves, extending her arms to reach out the divine couple to embrace them. And sometimes when the divine couple are very closely walking on the banks of Yamuna, waves came and embraced them in a wonderful transcendental manner. Big waves. Water splashed how do you say in English? With some wonderful upsurge of transcendental nature, the water sprang up, splashed. It was not just limited within the wave system, wave form, splashed and touched the divine couple. Just as when we're walking nearby the sea, sometimes ocean, big waves come and water comes. Water gets sprinkled. Okay, springs up and sprinkles and makes us wet. So, in the very similar way, the big waves formed in the Yamuna river water. It splashed and touched the divine couple, made them wet with the loving affection of Mother Yamuna river in the form of water. Her affection, her loving affection took the form of the splashing of the water and touching, making the divine couple wet while they were walking and running close to the banks of Yamuna shore. So Yamuna Tira Banachari. So much meanings there within a little term, words. So much meanings of Leela inside. Not just walking on the banks of Yamuna. It's walking and running with loving sports, with loving playfulness, playful love sports. So Yamuna river was also enjoying it so much, could not but be participating in that Leela, welcomed by divine couple, invited by divine couple, and she was also inviting. Both of them are inviting each other to each other's heart in love. Towards them, both of them are drawing each other, pulling each other in so much love towards each other, having each other's embrace. Then we also see in Yasomati Nandana song, I'm trying to collect some examples, picking some examples from the songs known by you all. Yamuna Tatachara Gopi Vasana Haro Rasa Rasika Kripamaya. There also we see the mention of Yamuna Tatachara. Their lordships briskly, with delightful plays, going around, wandering around on the banks of Yamuna in ecstatic love, tasting their amorous love ecstasy, in transcendental sense, transcendentally amorous love ecstasy, love bliss, through their playfulness, playful ways. Yamuna Tatachara. And at the same time, what was happening when the divine couple were having their love sports on the banks of Yamuna river? It was not only the reciprocation between divine couple, Yamuna river, Mother Earth was joining in reciprocation because they were placing their footsteps on the Mother Earth soil, on the banks of Yamuna. And she was also receiving inexplicably transcendental love pleasure, inexplicably transcendental, all transcending, how to say, all transcending, that's the English word. She was experiencing all transcending, super excelling love, pleasure on all over her body. Mother Earth, she was being overwhelmed by receiving the nectarine taste of the touch of the lotus feet of divine couple who were walking and running, engaged in their intimate love sports on the banks of Yamuna. Then what to speak more of when the divine couple went inside the Yamuna river to have their bathing, that is something unaccountable. The quality, the intensity of the blissfulness, of the bliss river Yamuna received. Besides, divine couple received for themselves, divine couple accompanied by other Shakhis, Manjaris, beloved associates, tasted the nectarine ecstasy, nectarine pleasure, bliss. Divine couple surrounded by, accompanied by Manjaris, Shakhis, tasted, experienced. Besides them, Mother Yamuna, the great goddess Yamuna in the water form, also received the immense, unaccountably immense nectarine bliss from the bathing pastimes of the divine couple. From the bathings of divine couple, also the bathings of Shakhis, Manjaris, surrounding the divine couple inside Yamuna river. All became alive. All simply became alive, like blossoming lotus, live, living, blossoming lotus. They became so, all became alive. I mean, the Yamuna river water. Mother Yamuna is water form, and Mother Yamuna in her own personal form, goddess form. She has got a beautiful goddess form. Yamuna goddess, we often the Brajavasis engage in worshipping. Yamuna river in the beautiful, very beautiful goddess form. Everyone has got personal form. Mother Tulasi Devi, Yamuna river, all have also got their own personal, individual, personal form with so much beauty and decorated with so much beauties and love qualities, love effulgence, love qualities, love beauty, so much. So, Yamuna Devi in her individual personal form also embraced divine couple, Shakhis, Manjaris, whoever were bathing in the Yamuna water. Simultaneously she embraced, because she was not only embracing in her goddess, beautiful goddess form, she was not only embracing divine couple in her beautiful goddess form, but also through the water form. So, it has been described by some exalted pure devotees, exalted pure devotees who had wonderful taste of such pastimes, like Yamuna river water, where water became so enthusiastic. Immediately we found during the time of the bathing of divine couple, accompanied by Shakhis, Manjaris in the Yamuna water, the water naturally started waving and splashing with upsurge of joy. That was the sign of the upsurge of the joy of Yamuna Devi in the form of in the form of upsurge of the water, splashing the water and bathing the divine couple along with Sakhis and Manjaris. So not only the divine couple surrounded by beloved associates who are having ecstatic moments, blissful moments, Yamuna river was equally, if not even greater than them, equally having the relish, ambrosial relish, of embracing them, bathing them with our own water, fondling them with our own water, embracing them, bathing them with her embracing, playful embracing. So such was the living pastimes, living love pastimes between divine couple, their associates, Yamuna river. All their Shantarasa pose now became transformed in a higher form, Dasharasa state, Shakharasa state. Vatsalya Madhurya is very difficult to explain. It is not really possible to fully explain how all the rasas, all the mellows of the rasas, starting from Shanta up to the Madhurya rasa, manifested there during that love sports in the water of Yamuna. So they could not stay limited anymore only in Shanta rasa pose. Yamuna, banks of Yamuna river water, okay, river water of Yamuna, its banks, or okay, even the surroundings of the forest connecting to Yamuna banks could no more remain only in Shantarasa pose. The whole became alive and relating to divine couple, more than Shantarasa pose. You know that pastimes. First, Yamuna Nadi related to Gopala Krishna while being carried by Father Vasudeva, okay, carrying on his head Gopala Krishna, sheltered by Ananta Deva Jew with all the hoods. And then it was midnight, you all know it was midnight. Yamuna was flowing and waving in full swing due to storm because of the stormy weather and all. While Vasudeva was thinking how to cross aside, how to cross over, yes, how to be crossing over Yamuna river, and by the sweet will of Krishna, receiving a very meaningful message from the sweet will of the Gopala Krishna. I mean, I'm addressing it as Gopala Krishna in non-different from the Gopala Krishna who was born from Mother Yashoda in Gokula. So I am telling in advance, who was soon going to be merged with the original Gopala. Born from Mother Yashoda. Mother Yashoda gave birth to. So who was soon going to be merged. So I am taking it in advance, that fact in advance, and addressing that Krishna carried on the head of Father Vasudeva, addressing that Krishna as in non-difference, in non-distinct sense with that Gopala Krishna born from Mother Yashoda, and soon this Gopala going to be merged, this Bala Krishna going to be merged. So, receiving the message from the sweet will of that Gopala on the head of Vasudeva, and also responding to the Vasudeva's thought to cross over Yamuna. Now Yamuna river got divided into two parts. Instructed by the sweet will of Krishna, receiving the message of instruction from Lord Krishna, coping with the desire of Vasudeva, according to, in harmony, responding to the desire of Vasudeva, who was so eager to cross over Yamuna to carry Krishna on the other side of Gokula. Yamuna river became divided into two, gave them the passage. It is miraculous, one of the most miraculous, wonderful pastimes of Krishna. Between Krishna, so that was the first reciprocation of river Yamuna with Krishna and Vasudeva. She gave them path, and Vasudeva crossed the Yamuna and went on the side of the Gokula in this way. So then we know the story. Thereafter we know the factual story, how Vasudeva brought that Krishna, how Vasudeva entered the residence of Nanda Maharaj, Queen Yashoda Devi, and by the desire, by the special license, by the special approval and wish of Krishna, he even entered directly to the maternity room of Mother Yashoda, where they all sleeping, and Mother Yashoda, after giving birth to her beautiful child, Gopala Krishna, naturally due to some physical fatigue, she was slept, and Gopala Krishna just lying down beside her. As soon as Vasudeva, by the inspiration of Krishna, he was carrying, Vasudeva put him down, placed him down beside Mother Yashoda, and then all of a sudden, there are two versions of the description. All of a sudden, that Krishna became immediately attracted within that Gopala Krishna, who was born from Mother Yashoda. They merged together. According to other version, Mother Yashoda actually gave birth to the twins. So, one male child, another female child. So what happened when Vasudeva put down that Krishna, who was born from Devaki Nandana Krishna, Devaki Suta Krishna, immediately that Krishna was absorbed within the Bala Gopala Krishna, given birth, who was born by Yashoda. Absorbed, and then that Kanna, that daughter, lovely daughter remained. So what Vasudeva did, he took that lovely, beautiful daughter, Yogamaya Devi, on his lap, took her and went back. So now both Krishna, both Gopala, now Devakinandan Krishna and Yashoda Nandana Krishna, now both remain there as one, Ekameva Dvitiyam, Brajendra Nandana Krishna. They became so. That's how it wonderfully happened. Vasudeva Nandana, Devaki Nandana Krishna, and Yashoda Nandana Krishna got unified together, now became one Swayam Bhagavan Krishna. Swayam Bhagavan original Krishna. There. So, back to the point, river Yamuna had a very special, very special participation in that Leela in the beginning, from the beginning. In the forest, on the banks of Yamuna, other love sports manifested through the flute song of Krishna. Our Guru Maharaj described flute song of Krishna is one of our ultimate goals, to be absorbed in flute song of Krishna, to be irresistibly drawn towards the flute song of Krishna, having the ambrosial experience thereby is one of the topmost goals in our life, goals of fulfillment in our life. Actually, the highest meanings, the topmost, highest, esoteric most, most hidden and esoteric most meanings of the Gayatri Mantram is leading towards the flute song of Krishna calling Radharani in love. Always calling the sole purpose of all that flute song of Krishna to be calling, reaching out Srimati Radharani and lovingly calling Srimati Radharani towards him, pulling her towards him. So that's the inner meanings of all flute songs of Krishna. The inner meanings, essential meanings of all the sweet, most wonderfully attractive, irresistibly attractive flute songs of Krishna. Calling out, calling Srimati Radharani, thereby drawing, giving irresistible call towards her and irresistibly drawing her towards him. And that's what happened. Gayatri Muralishta Kirtana Dhanam Radha Padang Dhimahi. Gayatri Muralishta Kirtana Dhanam Radha Padang Dhimahi. The sole purpose, the essence, all the very essential meaning, the sole essential meanings, the most essential meanings of the Gayatri Mantram, goal of Gayatri Mantram, is none other than flute song of Krishna, which is engaged in irresistibly calling Srimati Radharani towards him. And the very meaning of that flute song is I ecstatically engage in contemplating, meditating on the beauty, on the nectar of engaging in love service to Srimati Radhika, engaging in, being absorbed in the ecstatic love service to Srimati Radhika. That is the meaning. Radha Padang Dhimahi. Ultimate meaning is the love contemplation, love meditation of engaging, eternally engaging in ecstatic love service to Srimati Radhika, and through that love service, through that such love service, engaging in love service to Krishna. Through the ecstatic love services to Srimati Radha Thakurani. And Guru Maharaj describes, that's our highest nectarine treasure, priceless treasure, matchless treasure in our life. So, there is another fold of nectarine pastimes manifested in the forest situated in the forest all along the Yamuna river. In those days, there used to be beautiful forests on both sides of the Yamuna river. Today, we don't see so much, but originally it was that. Okay, so situated in the forest, on the nearby banks, on the banks of Yamuna river, and Lord Krishna started playing his flute, irresistibly attracting the heart of Srimati Radharani, Braja Gopis, not only them, whole surroundings, earth, air, water of Yamuna, birds, cows, trees, other forest animals, all became maddened with ecstatic feelings, helplessly drawn towards Krishna. By the time Srimati Radha Thakurani, Braja Gopis would have arrived, reach out Krishna already became surrounded by many lovers, many forest living lovers of Krishna, already surrounded. All. And so, Srimati Radha Thakurani, Braja Gopis used to be irresistibly drawn towards Krishna by the flute song, attracted by the call of flute song. Before they physically met Krishna, before those divine damsels and the queen, the topmost beautiful queen of all those divine damsels of Braja, physically met Krishna, their hearts feeling already met Krishna, ran towards Krishna before their physical appearance, before their physical union with, physical get together with Krishna. So, in that way, they are already meeting Krishna. Already they are meeting Krishna, embracing Krishna before they physically arrived. Such was the truth. Such was the reality. Such was the nature of their relationship. Transcendental reality. Transcendental realities of the transcendental ecstatic love of Krishna Radhika.